Discover how JD.com, one of China's top online retailers, is revolutionizing shopping with artificial intelligence. The AI vision. JD.com isn't your average retailer. They're a tech powerhouse, fully embracing AI. Imagine warehouses run by smart robots, drones delivering your packages, and checkouts powered by facial recognition. Founder Liu Changdong dreams big, a completely automated company. While others see AI as a tool to help humans, JD.com aims to let AI handle the heavy lifting of retail, making operations faster and smarter than ever before. Automated warehouses and smarter deliveries. At JD.com's Shanghai warehouse, 200,000 orders are processed every day by just 4 people. How? Robots and machine learning work together seamlessly, moving products with precision. This tech magic enables JD.com to offer next-day delivery across China, and soon, same-day delivery, even in the most remote areas. Their drone fleet is already soaring, delivering packages up to 15 kilometers. And self-driving trucks? They're on the road, gearing up to transport goods without a human driver. JD.com takes customer service to the next level with AI. Their chatbots answer questions and even create personalized poetry for gift orders. Just input some details and voila, a unique heartfelt message for your loved ones. Partnering with top Chinese social media giants, JD.com's AI analyzes your interests and suggests products you'll love, all within your favorite apps. Shopping has never been this smart or effortless. Step into JD.com's stores and you might not see a single cashier. Just pick up what you need and leave. Facial recognition handles the payment instantly. No lines, no fuss. Their 7 fresh grocery stores use AI to choose locations, stock the right products, and even display personalized ads based on who you are. It's retail, redefined. JD.com isn't stopping at stores. They're creating smart appliances like the smart fridge, equipped with cameras and AI. It tracks your groceries, monitors expiration dates, and orders what you need, all automatically. Healthy living meets smart technology, making your kitchen smarter and your life easier. JD.com's AI journey is exciting but not without challenges. Automation could change thousands of jobs, though the company plans to retrain many workers. Efficiency and customer satisfaction drive their mission forward. By blending online and offline shopping, partnering with social media, and investing in robotics, JD.com is reshaping how we shop and live. Their innovations hint at a future where AI makes every shopping experience personalized and effortless. From drones delivering packages to smart fridges managing your groceries, JD.com is leading the charge in retail's AI revolution. Their bold vision shows how artificial intelligence can transform businesses and elevate the way we shop. Stay tuned as JD.com continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI in retail. Thank you for watching this video.